If the locusts had attacked the crops, they would have left something. But the hailstorm did not leave anything for us. This year we must go hungry. Who said it? Lencho said it. Who said whom? Lencho said it to his sons. Now move next. That night was a sorrowful one. That night Lencho could not sleep. He was thinking, what would happen to my family? How can I feed my family members? There was no one to help us because only one family was there. Could understand? So that night was a sorrowful one. For whom? For Lencho. All our work for nothing. We had worked hard. But those hard work will go fruitless. Those hard work will go without fruit, waste. And we made all the hard work for nothing. Could understand? Who said it? Lencho said it. Entire night Lencho was thinking all these things. There is no one who can help us. Who said it? Lencho? There is no one who can help us. Could understand? But in the heads of all who lived in that solitary house, that the solitary was only one house. Solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, only one hope. In that valley, there was only one house and one family. There was no other family members, family, or there was no neighboring hood. And he knew that nobody would help him. And he thought, he was sure that he and his family members would go hungry that year. But there was only one hope. There was only one hope. That hope is help from God. Don't be so upset, don't be angry, don't be so sad. Somebody said, his wife said, don't be sad. Upset means sad. Don't be upset. In Oriya, upset in Oriya we say khappa. Pila mane khappa hochandi. So don't be so upset even though this seems like a total loss. Yes, it is a total loss. But don't lose hope. Have patience. Remember, no one dies of hunger. He got some hope. No one dies of hunger. That is what they say. No one dies of hunger. These were the things Lencho was thinking all the night. That night Lencho could not sleep well. He only thought what I had expected and what happened. Could understand? He thought I had expected a good rain. Yes, it rained. But the problem followed by gusty wind and hailstorm. And those gusty wind and hailstorm ruined, destroyed my entire corner. Now I am in great trouble. Oh God, what did you do? You pushed me into a great trouble. From which I cannot come out. Still, he hoped for God's help. Next. What remained was. Oriya meaning Roila. Could understand? So I went to the market. Sorry, last year I went to my uncle's house and remained there for 7 days. What did I say? Last year I went to my uncle's house and remained there for 7 days. Okay? Now let's move to the next word. The next word is destroyed. Its English meaning is ruined. Its Oriya meaning is dhansa, nasta hoigala. Could understand? This year our crop was destroyed by flash flood. Flash flood. Could understand? Next word is sorrowful. Its English meaning is having sadness. Oriya meaning is dukkha. Could understand? The little boy lost his chocolate. So he is looking sorrowful. Okay? Upset, disturbed or vichalita. The little boy was upset. So he is crying. Could you understand? Could you understand? The little boy broke the doll. Or the little boy got the doll broken and he was upset. Now he is crying. Solitary, lonely, single, ekutia. Could you understand? I saw a solitary man working in the field. I saw a solitary farmer working in the field. Now let's have a question. Who did Lencho have faith in? Lencho had great faith in God. Could you understand? So, for now, we will stop our session. In our next session, we will discuss about the rest part of the prose. Till then, bye. Thank you.